just relax. Okay, we are going to be changing out Emma's Mickey button. That is where her feeding tube goes into her belly. We do this about every 3 months. And this is the kit. Hers is a Mickey button and the size is 14 French, 2.3 centimeters. And we order these through Option Care, which is where we get all of her formula and feeding tube supplies. Okay, so all we need is that kit, a little clean container, and a bottle of water. In the kit, you have the instruction manual, and then this is the actual little supply kit where you get everything that you need except the water to change it out. Okay, so this is the Mickey button. This is just the pad I'm going to take off for now. So this is the old one that we need to take out, and there's water in the balloon, and that's how it stays inside her belly. So we have to take the water out first using the syringe that comes in the kit. So we're going to stick it in this port on the side, and on the port it says BAL for balloon. So we're going to twist it in there and then slowly pull back and draw out the water inside. When we fill it up, we put in about 5 mLs, but it does lose a little water over time. So right now I'm getting out about 4 mLs. Then you have to keep a hold on that plunger and then just pull the syringe out. Just going to discard that old dirty water. And then we're going to take the old button out and we're just going to gently remove it. And there it is. That's the old one. Okay, so here's the new one that's in the kit. And again, right on top of the button, it's going to have that size, which for her is the 14 French, 2.3 centimeters. It's printed on there. You can test it out and put some water in it first to make sure that there's not a hole and no leaks. Okay, there's also a little package of lubricant that comes in there. So we're just going to open that, squeeze some on the gauze that's in the kit. And then just put some on the balloon. All right, and then we're going to put the new one in. You can clean off her stoma site if there's anything on her skin or any discharge around, but hers looks pretty clean. So we're just going to put a little pressure on. And her tract points a little bit down, like towards her waist, so you kind of angle it down that way a little bit. This one went in super easily. Now we just need to fill it up with some new water. So we'll use this syringe again and just take some clean bottled water. We're going to draw up 5 mLs. Put it back in that white balloon port on the side. And then just, you have to hold the syringe in and then slowly fill it up with the water. And as you can tell, Emma's being real quiet. This doesn't cause her any pain. It's not a big deal. All right, once you get all the water in, you're gonna keep the pressure on the plunger and then just slowly pull that syringe out. We're gonna give it a gentle little tug to make sure it feels secure in there, which it does. Then the last thing we're gonna do is use this little extension tube that comes in the kit. And just, we're gonna hook it up to make sure that we can get some stomach contents out, and that just confirms that it's in the right place. So we're gonna close this little port on here. And I'm just going to leave this unclamped. You can leave the top one open in case we need to use a syringe to draw back. Then this part goes into her Mickey button on the top, and this is like how we put in the extension when we're doing a feed or giving her meds. So you can see the little lock arrow on there. So you're gonna line up that black dash with the little dash that's on the top of the Mickey button. Push it in, turn it to lock it, and then sometimes stomach contents will just start to rise out automatically. And if not, we can use a syringe and try to pull back. So I just put the syringe in here, and we're just gonna gently try to pull back. And we can see some stomach contents. It just kind of looks dirty, like formula water, coming back up the extension, which is exactly what we want to see. And then we're just going to slowly push that back into her belly. Clamp that extension, and then to take it off, we're just going to twist it the other way till the dashes line up again. Remove it, close the Mickey button back up, and we are done.